Hi guys, here's the video about how I blow my 3 XFAs and how I fail my challenge, and I'll be restarting it soon. Just need a mental reset, right? So yesterday I took a break-even trade and then I crash out, and then took losing trade that is not a part of my strategy, and um, and then I s- and then I was in drawdown, but I still took good trades overall, but um, I blew 3 of my XFAs again, which is crazy to say, but um, here's how I do it. So coming into the day, uh, we have price respecting the C of this 1 hour gap. Also, we have a random candle here at um, 7:15, and if you draw liquidity to it, I mean the OTE range to it, you can see respect the zero point 0.5 perfectly with an AMD models. And if you know that inside a higher time frame wick, if there's a lower time frame AMD model in it, there's very high probability. Right? So market open goes higher, since you know Asia will have a Judah swing to the upside. So I was expecting a little bit price higher, but when I mark out this um, range, it already rebalanced to the CE of it. So that's probably why I delivered to lower downside, right? So so price was extremely bearish. There's no retracement on a 5 minute, right? And my entry was this 1 minute rebalance and 1 minute displacement. Um, and my target was down here. My target was this, and my 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 fault in this scenario is that I scale in somewhere around here, so I have to go. Mm, so I have to go stop to break even, or else I'll be losing too much if I maintain my losses, right? And that's why I got break even somewhere around somewhere around here, somewhere around here, this candle right here. So I got break even right here. Then this doji candle happens. I was emotional. I answer with bigger sizes, no risk management, lose on $700 in just literally one candle. Right? And then I waited and I re-enter right here. There was no 5 minute tap. There was no nothing. It was just emotional trading. You know, the 5 minute is way up here, and the 15 minute is here, right at my entry. Right? So I failed to follow my rules, follow risk settings, and follow my strategy. I enter here expecting a price already accumulate enough buyers, and so sellers can have enough orders to execute their orders to go lower. That's not what happened. After going lower, I was a lot. I was in a lot of profit. This trade I was in $1,500 in profit, and this trade I was in $1,200 in profit. But I just want to follow my rules, right? Because why? My draw liquidity was so crystal clear. Because it is a 1 hour devil mark candle. But the only downside is in OT range, right? Anyways, um, after this trade right here, um, after this trade right here fails, um, I got locked out by the daily loss limit, which keep myself out of $1,100. And yeah, my re-entry would have been somewhat like this. I was so sure that the trade gonna hit 100%. Like it cannot not hit. Like it cannot not hitting. Right here, answer right here. Like this was so crystal clear, and it almost lost. Like almost loses. And you can see the thing with these all three trades is that it is all respected this order block. Somehow you can say it respect the 50-minute gap. Sure, but to me it's respecting this order block right here, which is the order block that happens after the market open, very strong order block. And you can see another entry. Let's say you got break even in this trade, right? And you say you trade projection block and you believe in that 50-minute gap, then you would answer right here after IVG and two displacement candles targeting this, or potentially just target Asia alone overall, which will play out very nicely um, until 3 in the morning. Um, so yeah, that's what you could have cashed. I was manipulated in the first hour of the 10 a.m. candle, which is unfortunate. Keep in mind that next time, because in the 4-hour expansion models, we have 4 hour in one 4-hour candle. So it can fuck around in the first 2 hours and then just deliver in the second 2 hours. But yeah, yesterday was a 10 a.m. continuation and 6 a.m. reversal into expansion and 10 a.m. Retracement into expansion. So manipulated like fucking 10 times and then deliver. Just unfortunate. And this morning, price after taking out these lows, I expect it to Judah swing once again, right? What did I take? So I waited for the initial expansion, and then we have a one tap respect, and of course expect this to hold. Price move 400 points in Asia, which is a good sign of momentum. But when I enter with momentum, right, I'm just not blindly entering. Enter with momentum. Like I'm not gambling. Like I risked my whole account on this $700 to make back what I lost yesterday, and I lost this trade, which blow my account. And this trade was following my rules, so I have literally no regret on this trade. 5-minute tap, 500 points movement, and a displacement candles, good displacement candles. Like you just cannot make this shit up. I traded on the most choppy day in the 10 a.m. profile, and I got manipulated in one of the most volatile move in Asia recently. 400 points in Asia, and I got manipulated. Trading with the trend, like that's my whole strategy. Like displacement. Like what else can I do? But my rules for the next funded is I'm not gonna scale in anymore. I'm just gonna put an initial positions and be happy with that. Also, I will not mm, I'll not take any one candle confirmations anymore. Just gonna do 2 candle confirmation now because it will higher my win rate, right? And yeah, um, I'll be restarting the challenge and trading new evals next week. I know I've been cycling evals over and over again, but I hope it's worth it. And I hope that I'm not a mistake to my family into trading, and I want to make this work. But I don't know if I've been unlucky or I've been undisciplined or whatever it may be, but um, I just want to be better every single day. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.